Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start with the Chromebook powered off and unplugged. Safety first. Remove the keycap by gently prying at a lower corner with a flat tool. Slow, even pressure prevents damage. Once the cap lifts a bit, use tweezers to clear debris and inspect the scissor hinge. You need to know which clip is loose or broken. Make a quick photo of the key layout so you can reseat the parts exactly where they belong. Now inspect the scissor hinge assembly. If clips are cracked, replacement is necessary because they control key travel and snap precision. Align the top hooks of the new hinge under their slots first, then press the lower clips into place. You should hear a discreet click when seated. Once set, move the hinge gently to confirm even travel. This prevents trapped edges or misalignment. If it feels stiff, reseat and check for obstruction before proceeding to the keycap. Finally, align the keycap tabs over the scissor hinge and press straight down, starting at the center and finishing at the edges so the clips engage evenly. Once attached, power on the Chromebook and test the key in a text field, verify travel, tactile response, and repeated presses. If the key sticks or doesn't register, remove the cap and inspect the clips for debris or damage. Make sure the hinge is seated and the keyboard ribbon is secure. Then try again or swap.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.